I have on the board trapezoid ABCD and a segment MN where M is the midpoint of one leg and N is the midpoint of the other leg. We call segment MN the median of the trapezoid. A median is the segment connecting the midpoints of the two legs of the trapezoid. So segment MN is the median of trapezoid ABCD. You might want to pause me now and get that term down in your notes. I'm going to set us up for a problem that's going to allow us to figure out the length of the median given that we know the length of the two bases. So we have a formula, a theorem if you will, that says the length of the median is just the average of the two bases. So suppose that we're going to average, we're just going to add up the bases B1 plus B2 and divide by 2. For example, let's suppose that base number 1, which is the length of segment AB there, let's suppose it's 10 and the length of base 2 is 24. And the question says find the length of the median. Well, we just average. So our median was going to be 10 plus 24 divided by 2. That's 34 over 2. It's 17. So to find the length of a median, you simply average the two bases. Okay? You could have the question posed at you slightly differently. You could say, well, suppose, that's still going to be our formula, I'll leave it. Suppose that this time we know what the median is. The median is 12, this base is 9, and we want to find the other base. Well, we can still simply use our formula. The formula says the median, that would be our 12 this time, is equal to the bases added. Well, that base I know is 9. So it's 9 plus the other base that I don't know over 2. Okay, we just solved that. Multiply by 2. 24 is 9 plus base 2. Our unknown base is now known by subtraction. It is 15. Now we can do that same type of problem by having variables in here. So let me throw some in with variables. By the way, if you don't have variables, before I leave this one, another way to do this problem is knowing that an average, the number that's an average, is exactly in the middle. So if we're looking for the other base, and I know that was 9 and that was 12, then ask yourself, what do you do to go from 9 to 12? You add 3, so adding another 3 gets you to 15, and you can actually get there without having to use the formula in that particular case. So it's your choice. Either way works. Now, if I happen to give you lengths that are variable expressions, then you're going to be stuck with having to use our formula. So I'm going to end this video here and I've set up a new video for that particular case.